Students, in last class we have studied how to create class and how to create objects. So this is very important topic. You will get a 5 marks question on this topic in the examination. So question will be like explain class definition with example program. Means here we have to explain how to create class using syntax, and we have to write example program. We have to write a program for explaining to how to create class and object. So first of all, what is class? Already we have studied in last class. Class is a collection of similar data items. In simple words, we can say class is a group of same items or similar items or identical items. Means class is a group of same items. So but proper definition is class is a collection of similar data items. So in examination you will get a question like explain class definition with general syntax. So general syntax is already we have studied in last class. So general syntax of class creation is like this. This is the general syntax. So we have to start with class in small letters. So this is the keyword. Then user defined name. So user defined name means any name given by user. You can give any name, X, Y, Z, whatever it. Then opening flower bracket. Then private. This is access specifier. Then member data and member functions. Again protected access specifier, member data and member functions. Then public access specifier, member data and member functions. Then close the flower bracket with semicolon. So here this private, protected, public is optional. It is not compulsory to use all these access specifiers. So we can use anyone like private or public. So here example is given. So this left side is the general syntax, means rules how to create class. So here example is there. So this is the example of class only. This is not complete program, but in examination we have to write a complete program. So let us see this class example. So this class keyword. So always class should start with class keyword. Then student, this is the name of the class. Then opening flower bracket, private, and these are the variables, integer name and integer age, like this. Then protected access specifier, then variable names. So these are data members, and this is member function for reading the value of variable. Okay, now so this is just example of how to create a class. Now we will see how to create class and how to write a complete program using class. So in examination you will get a question like this, explain class definition. So you have to write the general syntax and you have to explain, then you have to write a example program. So this is very important. Now I am writing a program for calculating simple interest. So in practical exam also this program is used. So you have to remember this program, you have to practice and make perfect this program. So it will help in theory exam also and in practical exam also. Means same program will come in practical exam also. Okay, now we will write a C++ program using classes and object. So first comment line I will write here. Okay, first comment line, C++ program to calculate simple interest. Okay, now So first we should create a class of simple interest. So class is a keyword. Then we have to write the name of class. So name of class is simple interest. Okay. Then opening bracket. Okay. So class simple interest opening bracket. Now I am using private access specifier. Private. So in private section I will use 3 or 4 variables: integer, p, t, r, and one float variable simple interest. Okay. Now in public section I am writing functions. So this integer PTR, principal rate, time and rate of interest, and this is simple interest. So these are all variables. Now I am creating function to read the value of variable and for calculation purpose and for displaying result. So first void read. So we can use any function name. Okay. Then void. Okay. Okay, I will write the body of function here only. So I will remove this semicolon. So here I will write the body of this function. Cout enter the PTR values. Okay, then I will read the value of PTR using cin PTR. Okay, now this function completed. So this is the read function. Read is the name of function, and inside this flower bracket this is the body of function. So in this function we are doing only one thing, just we are reading the values of PTR variables and storing in PTR variables. Okay, next another function I will use, void calculate. So this is calculate function. So body of function is here. Simple interest is equal to P. So simple interest formula is principal into time into rate of interest divided by 100. So P into T into R divided by 100. So you will get the simple interest. Now this function is also completed. So I will close the body. Next, so another function, void. So here v should be small. Okay, void display. So it will display the result. Okay, I am not writing the display body here. I will write outside the class. So I am closing the class body. So this is the class for reading simple for calculating simple interest. So here you can see this is simple interest, name of the class, and these are the member of the class. So inside this class these are the members P, T, R, S, I. These are called as data members, and here three functions are there. Function means here bracket is used like this, parenthesis. So this read function and this calculate function and this is void display function. So here total three functions are there, but this void read function, so read function body is defined inside class only, and calculate function body is also defined here inside class only, but I have not defined the body of this display function. So display function body will be defined outside. So hence this read body function is inside class and calculate function body is also inside class. These two functions are called as inside class definition member function. Inside class definition member function, because read and calculate these functions body is defined inside class body, but display I have written here semicolon. It means function body is not here. So I will define the function body of display function outside class. Hence it is called as outside class definition member function. So this is a complete class. Now I will define this. Okay, if we define the function body inside class, then we have to use a simple return type void, name of the function calculate and body. But if we are defining outside the class, then we have to use extra class name and member resolution operator, sorry, scope resolution operator like this. So let us see how to define. Okay, so I am defining here. I am defining here the body of display function. So I am defining outside. So syntax will be somewhat different. Void, then class name we have to use. Class name is simple interest. Scope resolution operator, then function name display like this, then opening flower bracket. So opening flower bracket means here I am defining the body of display function. So here you can see here we have defined the calculate function just by using function name only. We have not used class name. Why we have not used class name means because this function body is defined inside class body, hence class name is not required. But if we define function body outside class, so outside class, then we have to use class name with function name. So this is called as outside member function definition. Okay, so here I will define display cout. So here I am displaying the result. Cout simple interest is equal to SI. Now close the function body. So this is display function body which is defined outside class. So it is defined outside class, hence we have used class name, scope resolution operator and function name. Okay, so here class name is complete and function name, class body is complete and function body is also completed. Now we have to write the main program. Now void main. Okay, so here in beginning we have to write header files also, so I have missed that. So here we have to write header files hash include IO stream dot h. Then hash include conio dot h. Okay, these are header files. Okay, here now main program, void main, flower bracket open, clear screen, it will clear the screen. Okay, then I have to create a object. So for creating object we have to use first class name. So class name is simple interest without any gap. This is class name. Now this is object name, si, or only s only, so we can use anything. Okay, now using s I have to read the ptr values, s dot read function, so it will read the values. Then after reading we have to calculate simple interest. S is the object, s dot calculate. Okay, then after calculate we have to show the result, display the result using object s dot display. Now close the program. Now close. So this is a program for calculating simple interest using class and object. Okay, so this is a program for calculating simple interest. So here so this program you should practice and make it perfect, because this program, same program you have to write in the practical exam also and in theory exam also for 5 marks. So in practical exam this will be for 20 marks and in theory exam it will be for 5 marks. So this is the method how to write a program. So here why we have written this program, to show how to create a class and how to create a object. So in this program we have created class. So this is the class. Okay, so this yellow colored section is the class body. So class name is simple interest and this is the body of the class, and this is function body. So this is function body, display function body, and this is the main program. Like this. So here this program was written to show how to create a class and how to create an object. So here this is class and object is this one. So this red color line. So in this line we are creating object, name of object is S and this is the class name. So to create object we have to use the class name simple interest S. So we can create many objects in same line, but here I have created only one object because we don't want other objects. So one object is enough. So this is object we have created. Okay, now I will write a program. So this program is written using object. So this program is written using object oriented programming technique. So this simple interest program is written using object oriented programming technique. So this is a new style of writing programs. So in PUC first year also we have written a program in C++ to calculate simple interest, but in PUC first year we have written the program in old style. Like, so in PUC first year we have created this simple interest program without class and object. Okay, I will write here. So without object oriented programming, how to create program. Okay, so this program was using class and object. Okay, now I will write another program, means I will write same program for calculating simple interest but without using class and object. Okay, so here you can see, so without class and object how to write the program. So here you can see I am writing first comment line. First in comment line we have to write so here without class and object, simple interest program without class and object. Okay, first we have to write header files hash include io stream .h, then hash include conio.h, then void main. So here you can see I am directly starting void main. So in object oriented style we have written this main section in the last, but we are creating this main section at the beginning only. Now opening bracket, clear screen, then variables integer p, t, r, another variable float si. Now cout, enter p, t, r values. Okay, now read the values. C in, store in p, t value in t, and r value in r. Okay, after reading the values, next calculate the simple interest using formula p into t into r divided by 100. Okay, now after getting simple interest, just display on the screen. So cout simple interest is equal to si. Now close the program, close the flower bracket. So now you can see the difference between old style and new style. So this second program I have written is for calculating simple interest, but without class and object. So without class and object, this is it looks very small. So both program will work same. Both program will calculate simple interest, this one and this one. Both will calculate the same. Both will do the same work. They will calculate simple interest. But this first program This first program is written using class and objects. So first program is written using class and object. So in this program, first we have to create a class. So inside class we have to create data members and member functions like void read, void calculate, like this. Then last we have to create the object using class name in main section. So but in second program we are calculating simple interest, but this program is written using without using class and object. So this is a old style of writing program and this is new style of writing program. In first program we have used the object oriented programming method, and here this is simple procedural oriented programming method in second program. So you can see the difference. In second program we are not using any object, we are not using any function, and we are not using any class. So this is the difference between OOPS and procedural oriented programming, like this. So in OOPS the program length is longer as compared to procedural oriented programming technique. Here program length is very short, but both programs will do the same work. So this first program you have to write in the examination and practical exam also. So this second program just I have shown you to show the difference between OOPS and procedural oriented programming techniques. So you have to perfect the first program. So it will, so in examination question will come like this: explain class definition with example program. Means you have to explain how to create a class by showing the general syntax and explain the general syntax, and in the last you have to write a example program for any topic. So here I have selected the topic as simple interest calculation because this topic, this program is used in practical. If you perfect this program, then it will be helpful for writing in theory also and in practical exam also. So in this way you have to write the program. So this is very, very important. Practice this program. So it will be used in practical exam also and theory exam also. So in this program we have used class and we have used inside member function also and outside member function also. So this void read and calculate, these are inside class body functions, and this is display function is outside class body. So in this program I have used all concepts: creating class, creating object, defining inside member function, outside member function. So all topics have been covered in this program. So if in examination you will get a question on function, means how to define member function inside class and outside class with example. If it is asked in the example, then you have to write, you can write this same program. So this program is useful for explaining class creation, object creation, and inside member, outside member. For all topic it will fit. So make this program perfect. Okay. If there is any doubt, you can ask. So this yellow colored section is class body, and this is okay. Inside class, this void read function. This is inside member function, and this calculate, this is also inside member function defined inside class body. And this display function, this display function is an example of outside class definition, because class body is complete here, you can see. So after this closing bracket we have defined this display function. So this display function is an example of outside member function definition. So this function body, so this is the body of function, so it is defined outside class. So this is about creating class, creating object, defining member function inside class and outside class. So this how to create class. Now I think you are perfect. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Okay.